Hello my beautiful friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle, and on this channel we do a little bit of hair, lots of makeup, sprinkled with a bit of fashion and some in-betweens. If this sounds like your vibe, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like the video and share with a friend. Please remember to turn on your post notification bell so that you'll never miss an upload, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay guys, the Sephora haul is here. We didn't do too bad, right? So I'm gonna be sharing with you the few things that I got. I didn't go crazy, but I did get a little something. Alrighty, so in no particular order, and let me know what you guys got from the sale if you got anything. All right, in no particular order, I purchased the Sephora setting powder in the shade Translucent. You guys know how much I use this and I love it. If you're looking for like a nice affordable setting powder, you know, you don't have to spend a lot. It does not make your under eye look dry or cakey. Very affordable. This was only $15, and with the 30% off, do the math, okay? Maybe I can tell you. Okay, no. So 15% off, 30% off of this, because this is a Sephora brand, and I love this powder. You guys have seen in my videos, I practically use this powder alone. This is probably like my 7th or 8th jar, and when I tell you, I love it. So I'm not sure if I can show you guys the shade. Sephora excuse me, translucent powder. Oh, Universal, I'm sorry. Universal is the shade. Alrighty, so we have that. And then, of course, I had to get another Sephora Micro Smooth Setting Powder. This is my girl. This is probably like my maybe 3rd or 4th one. I had this one, which is Ebony. Right? Ebony Deep Red. But it's not really deep red. So the young lady in the store, she suggested this one. I'm gonna leave her information on the screen. She's also a YouTuber and she works at Sephora. She's so sweet. I'm gonna show a picture. I have a picture of her also. I'm sure she don't mind. So this shade that she told me to get was a little bit more warm, and this one is 65 Toffee. So you could see the difference. You can see the difference in the shade. So this one looks a lot more warmer, which I think I would like that better. So Ebony, I've been using this one, but I didn't know about this one. All right, so Toffee and Ebony. So this is I'm gonna try this in my next upload, my next tutorial. And remember that I told you guys that I wanted to get this, and I did. I got the smaller one just to test it out. I'm sure I'm gonna love it, but you know, we don't want to do too much. So this is the Danessa Myricks Yummy Liquid Blurring Setting Spray, Mattifying Setting Spray. Alrighty, so this is supposed to help your face looks a lot matte and blurred, right? So I got this one. Alrighty, the packaging is so cute. This is the bottle. I want this thing to focus. Let's just put it right here. Let me see how the mist is. See if I like the mist. Just always spray it out first before you spray it on your face. Ooh. Oh yeah, it feels nice. Like your sorry, your face does not feel wet. Very nice and misty. I like it. I'm gonna like it, but I will let you guys know, okay? Alrighty. The other thing that I got was this these Sephora cotton pads, right? The first time I tried this, it was a while ago, and ever since then, those are the only ones that I like to use. So this is like when you put on your toner, you know, when you're putting on your toner, these are really, really good for it. They don't break apart, like, you know how the regular cotton pads, they might break apart, or, you know, leave those little white fuzzy little stuff on your face. This is so good that I got 4 of them, y'all. 4. This one just has a new packaging. She said it's the same thing, but this one just says cotton pads. It's the same thing. It's just she said there's a new packaging. So I got 4 of them. These are like $4, and you get 30% off. All right. The next thing I have is this Suasu Gentle Cleanser Foam Mousse. This is a cleanser for your face. I did have the bigger one. It finished a while ago, but I ended up getting just a smaller one this time. You know I already know how it works, so I really like it. I just got the smaller one. Like I said, we didn't want to do too much, all right? So this is a very, very nice. When you use this, your face feels so nice and squeaky clean. And what I also love about it is that it lathers so good. It lathers so well. I like when my things lather on my face, so I feel like I'm using it, or I feel like it's doing something. This one, very, very good. Let me show you the bottle. It's a cute little bottle. This is only what like 1 point something ounces, but when I tell you only need like a little drop, you need one little tiny, not even a full pump, and it lathers up on your face. So if you're looking for a good little toner, try this one. Try the smaller size, and then you're gonna love it, but then you'll decide if you want to get the bigger one. I also got the Sephora Weightless False Lashes. Flutter and Stare is the name, right? So these were $15. That's what I thought. But when I went to the register, the young lady was like, "Oh, these are on sale for $6, and then you get an extra 30% off." So I'm like, give me another one. So I got 2. I should have gotten like maybe 4, but all right, that's all right. I hope you guys are able to see them. I think you can see that they're not too much. Very, very cute. So if you still have some time, guys, to go out and get, you know, get some lashes. All right, so you guys remember in the previous when I did the recommendations, I did have this LYS contour stick. Remember the one I have? Where is it? Remember the one I have? It's like I had to like go down inside of it. But when I tell you I really love this contour stick, this is the packaging. And if you do not know, LYS stands for Love Yourself, right? And we should all love ourselves. This is a packaging, that's their signature packaging. Gold, and let me show you guys the shade again. See, it's so cute, right? It's like a bronzy color. And let me show you how much product you get in there. You get a lot, quite a lot. Do you see that? It's a lot. Oh, it's so pretty. Isn't it pretty? Looks like a piece of chocolate that you can eat. Y'all think I should taste it? Alright, so it's very creamy. You see that? You see the pigment? Definitely it's gonna show up on your skin. So love the LYS. Let me put it back in the packaging. I might do a little reel when I'm done, right? Alrighty, we're almost done, guys. I didn't go overboard. I also got this gloss from Sephora. Just a gloss to put over my lipstick. It's called Sephora Glossed. I don't know what shade this is because I really can't see it, but I will definitely look at it and I will put it down in the description section, right? So that's the color. Very cutesy, right? Very cute. Very cute. I also got the Sephora 12-hour pencil. This is matte brown. I'm gonna use this one for my eyeliner, right? I'm gonna try using brown eyeliner and see how I like it. I always use black, so I'm gonna use brown. But these are very good. I think these were only like $12 and you get the 30% off. So hopefully you guys could see that. Then in the same 12-hour pencil, I got another black one, because you know we like the black eyeliner. I'm trying to see if I can take it off and swatch it for you, so you could see how dark it is. All right guys, we'll go back to that. Then I also got the new Sephora lip pencil in molasses. All right, I had the original one and I still have it. I really love it. I was trying to see if I have it here where I can just swatch it, but this is this one. 8-hour colorful pencil. So that's how the packaging looks. Let me swatch it for you. I'll put it right below this one. That's the color right here. Love it, love it. I think the other color was more matte. This is more creamy. All right, so you're looking for an affordable liner, I would suggest that one as well. I like the first one, so I know I'm gonna like this one. And this is just a Sephora. I'm making sure that my camera is not running out of space. It's just a Sephora pencil for my brow. I've used this before. I thought I bought 2 of them, but I only see 1. So I'm gonna check my receipt. And if they charge me for 2, I only gave me 1, I'm going back. Okay. All right, let's show you the black pencil so I can see how black it is. Ooh, yeah. Oh my gosh, it's so creamy, guys. You see that? Oh, it glides on like a dream, like barely. Oh yeah, definitely. That's gonna look nice underneath my eye. So if you're looking for like a nice affordable eyeliner pencil, that's gonna show up. I know that's gonna show up on my eye. Look at that. See if I do it this way, if it focus. But yeah, that's all I have, guys. I didn't go too crazy. I did good, right? Yeah, that's all I have. You know, just get a few things what you really like, and you know, this is the time to get it. Sephora brand has a lot of things, so you know, you can get a couple good products. I didn't get any moisturizer because I don't need any right now, but you know, that's all I'm gonna buy for this sale. We did very well. All right guys, so that's all I have to share for you. I hope that you enjoyed this little mini Sephora haul, and let me know what you're buying. Let me know what you have bought. Let me know what you're getting from the sale, if you're getting anything. And I hope that you see something that you like here, and I'll be sure to leave the links of everything down below. All right guys, thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Just like that, guys, we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoy my little haul. All right guys, I hope that you get to purchase something from the sale, and if you don't, then it's okay, but get something that you like, at least one thing. All right guys, if it's in your budget. Okay, all right, you don't have to go crazy, you know, you just get a few things, girl. It ain't gonna hurt. All right, I hope that you enjoy watching. Again, don't forget to like the video, share with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your post notification bell so that you'll never miss an upload. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.